Hey guys, make sure to stand till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays and not to just assume that a fuse is good or bad, because that may cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Mustang. I'm talking about 6th generation between year 2015 and year 2023. If you need to find where the fuse for the rear view camera is located, because your rear view camera does not work, stay with us. We'll explain where that fuse is located, how to replace it, guys. All that will be covered in this video today, step by step, and we'll explain why it's super important to test fuses as well. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything, guys. Anything from engines, transmissions, bodywork. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep providing this absolutely free information. And if you guys need to buy any replacement fuses, relays, because some of those could be really expensive at the parts store, any parts, any tools for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So let's explain where that rear view camera fuse is located. Now we're going to open the hood, and now if you want to see how to install the hood lift system on a Ford Mustang, we have the video on the channel that's going to teach you how to do that, but you don't even have to support it. Check it out, how cool is that? You don't have to use that thing anymore, which makes it really convenient. Right here is the fuse box. In order to open it, you're going to press here, pull up, and right here, guys, okay, I want to show you now on the back side of the fuse box, okay, you're going to have the fuse numbers, and the layout here will correspond to what we have specifically here. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So which fuse we need to check specifically for the rear view camera? We'll be working that fuse block right here, that fuse panel right here. So okay, that corresponds to what we have here, and the fuse that we need to check is fuse number 66, that fuse right there, guys. And we're talking about that 5M fuse. That's the one, okay, for the rear view camera on your Ford Mustang, guys. Now if you have any more questions, let us know. If you need to buy new fuses for a good price, check out the link in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.